Hi, Come channel. I see you right now. You must be in the rush, but right now I got a good explanation for your channel. I'm not being like Star Wars or some other crappy Darth Vader. I really like your video, but most of them sucks because they're still removed. I come here from Asia to tell you your videos really suck. Most of all your channel. You suck so much balls that I can't believe it. Heavy Rock Rocks owns. So you're about to say Heavy Rock Rocks. This is Come channel because Heavy Rock Rocks owns and you cannot beat it. Oh yeah. Oh, you calling me stupid? Yo, China, you crappy videos made me barf. It's on Savage Man in Canada. I see you.
I'm from Great Britain.
I don't give a crap about where you're from. You really suck. And all your videos.
What are you?
Take it back to you.
I hate your stupid FIFA 09.
I don't care.
Or your NHL 09 videos.
Oh yeah, at least I got something to prove.
Or your custom soundtracks for Burnout.
I don't care. At least they got more views than any of your videos. Oh yeah, you never had a video. You crazy man. Oi! Oh yeah, sorry, what are you trying to do to me? That's me. I'm not a madman. You got my freaking bones! You crazy people.
Us Britons are the best.
No, it isn't.
And always have been.
No, it will not be. It will not be like that. My bottles are pretty stronger than your king. So relax. Yeah. The victory has still stand.
No, it is Cam Channel who won. You trying to wuss out?
See, clearly he's an overall win. FIFA Heavy Rock Rocks. He win. No, this is not a real game. Actually, it is. But whatever, this was a real fight. Do not attempt at home. Very dangerous. You can get carpet burn on your freaking back and then on your balls like I just got. Do not try this at home, I repeat. Salute.